Abarimon is the name of a legendary race of humanoids from the Himalayas. They are an ancient race with physical resemblance to humans. The body parts of Abarimon are exactly the same as what normal humans have, except only their feet. Instead of pointing forwards, their feet point backwards. The people of Abarimon had inverted feet from the ankles quite all right, but in spite of this handicap were able to run at a great speed. They lived side by side with wild animals, and many attempts to capture the Abarimon failed because they were so savage. The Abarimon people share the same name with their country, which is situated in the great valley of Mount Imors, high in the Himalayan mountains. Local legend says that there was a special quality of air which meant when it was breathed for long periods of time it would become impossible to breathe there from anywhere else, and the inhabitants could never leave the valley alive. The air of the valley is enchanted so that once you breathe it in you can never leave the valley alive. This helps to protect the valley and keep its exact location secret. And this is why the location remains unknown. The Abarimon are uncivilized, fierce and very deceitful. They do not wear any clothes nor shoes. They seem to have no self-protection, but are actually really strong, and live side by side with wild animals. The footprints they make always confuse other species since their feet turn backwards, leading them to false directions. You might think that their unusually large or strangely shaped feet, which only appear to point backwards, couldn't possibly allow them to quickly move about, but surprisingly, they can run at great speeds, even faster than we humans do. To further deceive people into not noticing their odd features, each Abarimon wears a mask at the back of the head that makes them seem to be coming instead of going, so that people will actually think that they are normal humans with normal feet. A common belief is that they turn their feet backwards by wearing a certain type of sandal, but this is highly unlikely since it's impossible to do. The people of Abarimon are first mentioned in the book named The Natural History or Pliny. In spite of the legend, some sources claim that there is a point of reality in the Abarimon folklore. There are other legendary creatures from different mythologies that equally have inverted feet. Some of those creatures include the Curupira from Brazilian folklore, and the Siguapa from Dominican Republic.